Nation, I'm Dakota. Today, we're gonna do some unboxing of some really cool stuff. This is why you don't have a spoiler on your car, so you can do unboxing videos on your trunk. So, I've got JDM, and then a part from the UK. This one's custom, these two are OEM. I'm gonna start with these. I'm really excited for these, kind of nervous. I'm hoping they're OEM and actually what the guy said they are, because I got them for a good deal. Can you tell what they are yet? Oh, sick! Ooh, baby. Look at that. Can you see yourself in there? Hope you can. That's sick. Made in Japan. So these are allegedly 22B mirrors, and they are super light, so that's a performance mod. If you guys are new to the channel, you probably don't know, this car was sitting underneath a tree abandoned in the woods, and I'm one of those make it fast, make it work kind of guys, and I don't do these kind of performance, I just said performance, I don't do these kind of aesthetic modifications to my car, but it's come time that I want to make the RS nice and be proud of it when I pull into a parking lot, or just be inconspicuous to the old people that go, what the hell is that thing? These are sick. We'll install these in a second, but let's get to unboxing the rest of this stuff. We'll do this one last, because this is something I've literally wanted ever since I got a GC. This guy is custom made, and it's from the UK. It's already something I have on my car, but this guy does a way better job. At least I think he does. It's already opened. Uh-oh. I hope it's not cracked or damaged. Sick. You guys can see that. That's a gauge pod. I've already got one in my car, but I'd rather support a business that's making them, and hopefully they can continue on helping others out. Mine's kind of been falling apart. The glue I used wasn't good enough for heat, so hopefully this one holds up. It was $130 shipped from the UK by a company called South Coast Locking. I'll put a link below, or I'll put it on the screen somewhere here, but looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Should work out good. Just kidding, it's not heavy. Genuine Subaru with some JDM riding, yo. I'm sure you guys can figure out by now what they are. They're big. There's two of them in here. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. It's like Christmas. Sick. Look at that. JDM tails. I've wanted these forever. There's a company in Denver, Colorado that has new in-box JDM parts. I got my rear crash bar, if you guys have ever watched my old videos, from them. And they have these new in the box. JDM parts from the 90s. New in the box. That's nuts. And it comes with the bulbs and the wiring. I'm gonna bolt these right into my car. It's sick. That's done. That was fun. Let's install them. How about that? That's all of them. Man, that thing is in there. I think there's a gasket you can buy instead of this gooey crap. Comment below if you guys know where to get one. Look at how sick those are. That looks so good compared to the old side. Really brings out how crappy my paint is. One day it'll look nice, I swear. Gross. It's gonna be a pain to get off. That looks so good now. Just don't look too close at the trunk. It's definitely not perfect. Lots of scratches on this thing. Whole car needs paint. Had to do a little wet sand buff and wax to get all that stupid adhesive off of there. But it looks so good. Taillights are the best part about the car now. Everything else is just junk. Let's work on these guys right here. Should be a pretty easy install actually. Get rid of these ugly things. Gone forever. I did have to take the door panel off because the little plug that was attached for the power and the mirrors. Mine didn't work anyway, not sure why, so no loss there with going to the 22B mirrors. Oh my god! That looks so cool. Oh my god, that looks so good. I sound like such a fanboy right now, but that's sick. They're lighter, probably more aerodynamic, so this is a performance mod. Little side-to-side comparison. Hold. So cool. Got both sides on. It's like baby little panda ears. If anyone's wondering, if you are sitting right here and you're 5'11" like me, that is pretty much all you can see when you look out the rear view. So I know people have shimmed these to get them to turn more because this is designed for a right-hand drive car. So out of that mirror and this mirror from this angle, you should be able to see better. Definitely not impossible to see. You just got to kind of crouch forward just a little bit if you want to look through the rear view, if there's any cars behind you. Otherwise, you just got to look through that glass window right there. That one is pretty good actually. I don't really have to do anything with that. I can see fine out of that mirror over there. For any of you guys that want to put some JDM panda ears on your car, I'm going to call them panda ears because honestly, now that they're in here, they look like panda ears. Onto the gauge pod cluster. You guys can see I half-heartedly attempted to start making one of these. The glue kind of failed on it and it's just been rattling around in here. And then I found this company, South Coast Flocking, that makes these. I would give it like I'm gonna give it a really honest review. I'd say 7 out of 10. It's a factory piece. Looks like he 3D prints the actual bezel part that the pods sit in. And then I think it's hot glued, which I'm kind of worried about because hot glue has a tendency when it sits in the sun to actually start to melt again. And it could possibly fall out of there. And then things like broken tabs. There's a broken tab here. Like this tab right here should be on the other side. These 2 screws will hold it in. I'm not worried about it, but it makes my life easier. I don't have to sit there and mess with fiberglass and get this thing to work and look nice. So I give it a 7 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for easy install, looks, and that kind of thing. But yeah, just like little details. If you guys are really picky about stuff, just be aware that there could be some stuff that isn't perfect on them. But overall, I am completely happy with my purchase. Don't look at that wiring mess. And And there you have it. They stick out a little farther than I would like, but it looks really good. It's nice and clean. No more janky gauges rattling around in there. Finish is pretty good. Can't really tell that this is not an OEM piece right here compared to this piece. So I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a lot of fun doing it. Next video should be on the Z, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.